Alright. Hi, my name's Aaron, and I found this weird DS Lite online. I've got it off of Mercari. Said it was broken, sold as is. It's pretty wonky. You can tell someone's already taken this thing apart. It says the different bottom screen, and frankly, I just never seen a DS Lite in this color before. And I wanted to check it out. So, it's pretty weird. I can already tell that screws are in the wrong places, so we're gonna see what's gonna happen when I open this up. I can tell that the power switch is already gone, and I can't even see the nub where on the inside of it to turn it on. So something's broken off in there. Thankfully, I have this new motherboard I might try to replace it with, but we got Phillips and tri-wing screws everywhere in mismatched places. So, try to take this apart. That's all of them, except for one, I think. It's kind of stuck in. That worked. Okay. This also has a blue stylus. I've never seen this color of stylus either. So it looks good, except for, the power switch is broken off. And we're missing a screw here. I didn't even take it out when I did the other screws on the outside. So yeah, I don't know if it works. Besides that, it looks fine. Take a look at the other side. I don't see any crazy damage, and the water damage seal isn't there, but it's pretty weird looking. Looks like someone spray painted it, honestly. I don't know how, because it has all the markings on the back. I'll look it up later, see if there's a variation like that. But it's pretty silly looking. So is this. It's almost looks spray painted too. The only outside is that color. It's pretty weird to find. I like it. Gonna take a look at the other side. Gently push this out. Take a look. We got an aftermarket ribbon cable for the top screen. I've never seen that logo on a ribbon cable, or any logo on a ribbon cable before. Looks like a flower. That's weird. Yeah, this side doesn't look too bad either. Doesn't look bad at all, actually. It's just that poor switch on the front. Maybe I'll try to turn it on. Just get my screwdriver in there. And I don't know if this battery's dead or not, but we're gonna find out. Oh yeah. Yeah, nothing. I think I have a live battery in here somewhere. In this DS Lite pile. Oh, there we go. Found one. I know this one works, so I'll try that again. Should turn on. Okay, I felt something. And we got nothing. Alright. I don't know. Get some. Oh, I just found a bug. There's a bug in the slot. Yeah, that's really all there is to it for the bottom part that I can see. These buttons are really cool. I like them a lot. I might put them in another console and swap them out. Let's just pop this whole thing off. Let's take that off. Just gonna take this off because I like doing that. The adhesive thing came off. Cool. Just gonna try that. Oh, that won't work. There we go. That's the other wire. Take this second ribbon cable. Oops. Okay. And I'll just take these buttons for myself. Very beautiful buttons. I like them. Oh, this one seems to be damaged. Wonder how that happened. Very weird console. Oops. That's shredded. Ah, we got it. Cool. Alright, let's take this. I almost forget the trick for this, but I know it's simpler than it looks. Come on. Let's see if I can get these wires out first. All right, we're in business. That's pretty cool. Whew. Bam. And just curious what's inside here. We got all the rubber nubs missing already, which is pretty weird, but hey, I don't care. This is a cool color. That one looks like an aftermarket. It's kind of weird. Whatever. does not want to come out. There we go. Fucking aftermarket screws are just god awful. That one got all stuck in there and wasn't. It's like the wrong type. I know I'm supposed to slide it. Oh, there we go. That just looks weird. It's nice though. It's like the top of a red one. Almost. Okay. This ribbon cable seems to be fine. I'll test it later with this working motherboard. There's literally Scotch tape on it. That is funny. I like that. Not that much else to see here. Just a weird border, and you can see gaps in it. Like, how did they manage to fuck it up this bad? I don't know. That's weird. Alright, thanks for watching.